How to fix Sims 4 not launching via Duck Origin. 1. Move the mods folder to your desktop and delete local thumbcache.package. 2. Clear Origin cache at %program data %. Note, keep the local content folder. Delete the Origin folder at %app data %. Now, go back to app data folder, and delete Origin. Restart your system. 3. Run both Origin and The Sims 4, ts4.exe. As admin. FYI, ts4. _x64.exe runs the standard edition, and ts4.exe the legacy edition, but it apparently doesn't matter so much which one you choose. Origin will load the game correctly either way. 4. Reset your game to factory settings. To do so, back up then rename the Sims 4 folder at documents /electronic arts. 5. Close any background applications via WTM.